it's around 6:30. We just got to the top of the Gidimidi. Soon we're just gonna get ready to start going down to the glacier and then get to the Éperon de Cosmiques where we're gonna start the climb. We're going up for a route that is 5 pitches, so it shouldn't be a big day. The plan is to then stay at the Cosmiques Hut, and then tomorrow we tackle another climb.
So nice in the sun though.
Yeah. Made it to the base.
Yeah. Nice. Nice.
Where do you see the beacon? Was it here?
It's exactly where you were pointing.
Here. To the right?
Yes.
Okay.
In the wide one up there.
A bit of a shitty piece, but
Yeah.
I don't think I'll fall.
Okay. Did you clip the blue one?
Yeah, it was blue. Huh.
Nice. Nice.
Nice. Okay, so pitch 3.
Yeah.
We just have 2 more to go.
2 more to go.
Yeah.
We're fine.
Yes, we're on time. Nice. A bit of a long pitch, huh? Not your typical Swedish
Not the typical
pitch.
Swedish pitch.
Yeah. That was fun.
But a good one.
Yeah.
Nice done.
Yeah, thanks. So we made it. We're at the top of the Éperon de Cosmiques. That was really nice, right?
Real nice.
Yeah.
Good job.
I mean, it was just 5 pitches. I think we still have quite a lot of energy. But
Energy
we
for
just,
tomorrow.
we just gotta get a good rest for tomorrow for sure. But yeah, right now we're just waiting for a party of climbers to come up, and then we're gonna start rappelling back down where we left our stuff. We'll get on the glacier and then we'll go to the Cosmiques Hut. So the day is almost over. All right. So now we rest. We're here at the Cosmiques Hut. We've been here for a few hours now. We just had a few snacks. But overall, I just wanted to share how I felt on the route. I thought it was great. We climbed on the Éperon. We climbed the Rébuffat-Pierre, which is a 6A plus route, 5 pitches. And even though I just got here to Chamonix 3 days ago, and this is my first day at 3,000 something meters, I still feel great. You know, we made it to the top, and I felt great. We rappel. Now we're here at the hut. So yeah, we're gonna spend the night here. Peter is on the other side, just resting as well. Tomorrow we have a bigger objective. So the plan is just to get as much rest as possible today, and we'll do an alpine start at 1 a.m. tomorrow. We're climbing the Aiguille du Diable. So we'll see how it goes. It's gonna be a long day tomorrow. So yeah, but yeah, it's so nice to just sit here and like look at the view. Yeah, great conditions today.